What is going on, guys? Here's another vlog for you guys. I was about to go to bed and I forgot that I haven't made a video yet, so that's what I'm doing. So I have school for one more day, which is tomorrow, and I don't go to school tomorrow. Well, I go to school tomorrow. I don't go to school on Thursday because I have to go to my sister's wedding. And then I have on Friday I'm getting my tattoo. So my chest stitches. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. How was your guys' day going? Hopefully it's going alright. My day's been kind of busy since I got home. It's been non-stop going places, getting things, so. Well, I know this is kind of a shorter one, but hope you guys enjoy. Punch the like button, punch the subscribe button, and goddamn, my chest itches. And catch you guys in the next vlog. See ya.